Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about Notion versus Todoist. So let's dive into the video without wasting any time. Here you can see that I have opened both the interfaces, and as a fellow lover of productivity, I understand your frustration as you wade through the endless apps that are supposed to help you. Sometimes it seems like instead of helping, they're just sending you into a tailspin of reading reviews and other information. In this Notion versus Todoist article, I'm going to break everything down in a way that makes it easy to see which tool is the right one for you. Instead of feeling lost in the sauce, you'll be able to look at the features and overview of the company, as well as the pricing and other important details, and know that what fits your life or business. So let's dive into the video. Here you can see that I'm on the interface of Notion, and the main difference between Notion and Todoist are that Notion get very granular with information and organization, whereas Todoist doesn't go quite as deep. Notion integrates with a decent of other tools, whereas Todoist integrates with a lot of things and makes it easy to add tasks. Notion allows you to see all the details of completed task management, whereas Todoist makes it hard to look back at completed tasks and doesn't have good details. So let's talk about the pros and cons of Notion and talk about the review of Notion. Here are some of the main benefits and drawbacks of Notions. The pros include that it has a clean Notion use interface, very flexible when setting up pages, simple to embed other sites and productivity tools apps, and it's great for note-taking. Excellent third-party ecosystem, Notion template makers, great network effects. But when it comes to the cons, some people have security concerns. I don't, but can encourage lazy thinking. Notion to-do list functionality is there, but not the main orientation of the app. Notion database functionality doesn't feel great. Notion takes some work to design the right setup, open source, but not always. So let's dive into the pricing section. So here you can see that you get 4 plans over here. First one's the free one, which gives you collaborative workspace, integrate with Slack, GitHub and more, basic page analytics, 7-day page history, and invite 10 guests. You can get started for free by clicking over here, and you get unlimited blocks for individuals, limited block trial for teams. Then you get the plus one here. A plus one is a place for small groups to plan and get organized. It's priced for $8 per user per month billed annually and $10 billed monthly. To get started, you get everything in free and unlimited blocks for teams, unlimited file upload, 30-page day history, and invite 100 guests. Then you get the business plan over here for companies using Notions to connect several teams and tools. You get this for $15 per user per month, billed annually, and $18 billed monthly. To get started or request a trial, you can click over here, and everything in plus and SAML SSO, and then you get a private team space, and then bulk PDF export, and advanced page analytics, 90-day page history, and invite 250 guests. And then the last one, that is enterprise, advanced controls and support to run your entire organization. You can request a demo by clicking over here or request a trial by clicking over here, and you get everything in the business plan and user provising CIM, and then the advanced security and controls audit log, customer success manager, workspace analytics, and the unlimited page history, security and compliance integrations, and you can invite 250 guests. So that's about the pricing of Notion. Now let's dive into the Todoist interface. So the Todoist interface has some pros and cons that I'm going to talk about. The pros include that it has a good tech support. You can use your list on multiple devices for managing tasks. That is task management software, and educational and non-profit discounts are available on Todoist. Functional as a personal note-taking app, and the cons include no ability to retrieve tasks that you have already completed, limited recurring task automations, and sometimes lags. So let's dive into the pricing section of Todoist and see what's over there for us. Here you can see that you get 3 plans that include the beginner, pro, and business. The beginner ones for $0 and an account with 5 personal projects, 3 filter views, 1 week activity history, and flexible list and board views. Integrate email, calendar, and more. And the Pro one comes for $4 per month billed yearly. Everything in beginner's plan plus 300 personal projects, 150 filter views, unlimited activity history, task reminders and duration, automatic backups, and AI assistance. Then you get the business one that's priced for $6 per month and per member billed yearly. Everything in Pro plus a shared team workspace, 500 team projects, unlimited team members and guests, team roles and permissions, centralized team building, and restricted projects. Now the beginners one for the start organizing your life for free, the Pro ones for stay on top of all your tasks and goals at work and home, and the business one for simplify and organize your team's work too. So in a nutshell, while Todoist is a great tool or simple tracking, I prefer Notion for its user interface as well as all the features it has. Also, the price is right, especially if you use it for personal matters and don't work with a team. It's free to start and I would prefer it. So please leave in the comment section which one would you go for and why. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you again. Bye bye.